What's up, guys? Today I got some news from Apple about the 2015 15-inch MacBook Pro. It's saying that a voluntary recall of a limited number of older generation 15-inch MacBook Pro, they may overheat the batteries and pose a safety risk. So they're saying this, could potentially catch on fire. But the good news is if you have a 2015 15-inch MacBook Pro, that you might be eligible to get your battery replaced free of charge. You just click this link here. Let's see what it brings up here. So you would enter your serial number, and yeah, they'll go and replace your battery. Let's see, service may take 1 to 2 weeks. That would be the downside. In all cases, your device will be sent to Apple Repair Center for service. So definitely not ideal to be without your MacBook for 1 to 2 weeks, but if you do have another device which you're using in the meantime, might be a decent way to get a free battery and extend the life of your laptop a little bit longer. So I'm not sure how much battery replacement costs. Let's see, we'll say which is do a quick search: 2015 MacBook Pro 15-inch battery replacement cost. And so yeah, it would be, well, that's if you did it yourself, it'd be $80. But if you did it, let's see, through Apple, normally, let's see, it would be $129. So if it's eligible, so definitely take advantage of that. Check your serial number. Make sure, I'll put the link below to see if you do have one of the units affected. And if you're thinking about maybe upgrading, maybe it's not a bad time too. And in the meantime, when you're getting your MacBook Pro battery replaced, you can go ahead and upgrade to a newer 12-inch MacBook, or a new MacBook Air, or even look at one of the 13 or 15-inch Pro models if you use a lot of, if you need the video card for, video processing or video editing. But I don't think the majority of users, need the 15-inch MacBook Pros. I think a lot of people probably have them, bought them used, and they're just kind of holding out from the new generation Butterfly keyboards. But I've had one for, I've had a 12-inch MacBook and a 13-inch Touch Bar from 2018. So far, 2 months in, no issues at all. So, plus they are covered under the warranty for the keyboard, which is pretty nice as well. I think it's 4 years from the day you buy it, so not a bad little warranty to have in place if you should, run into issues, which I haven't yet. But if I do, at least I know I'm covered for 4 years, which is pretty awesome. So, anyways, well, I hope this helped you out. I'll drop the link below, and go get a free battery if you're eligible. All right, guys. Until next time. Later.